Carter, what do you see in the charts?
Before we get to the charts, just what you make the point. I mean, it was such a high flyer. Consider this on a 20-year basis. TJX has gone 5x the performance of the S&P. TJX is ahead of Microsoft on a 20-year basis, a true high flyer. But let's look at some tables that start to tell a different tale. So here is the former high flyer on a 5-year basis, of course, really way ahead of both the market and the consumer discretionary sector. Now, more recently, look at the next table of 3-month performance. You're starting to see a reversal here where TJX is up only 3.4, well behind the S&P and the sector. And look at on a 1-month basis, this is really where it starts to be telling. Of course, it's down. And you've got a consumer discretionary sector that's in the market up. So let's look at 3 identical charts and try to find the way forward. A chart with no drawings, no lines, no annotations, no judgments. Next chart. This is with the smoothing mechanism, the 150-day moving average. It is now flat. Often that is the beginning of what is characterized as a bullish to bearish reversal. Final chart, the same chart with instead the actual trend line. And if and as we check back to that trend line, and I think that's what's coming as a minimum, we're looking at another 5 to 7% decline. But ultimately, I think we're headed to around 110 a share, and that is lower from here. And I would note, down today in a very strong tape.